Hashtag Dad Talk. My refired life. There's one word in our language that involves and can help with everything from relationships, which there's plenty of fucking need out there for this because the relationship situation with situationships and all this other horse shit that's going on out there is fucking ridiculous. But with jobs, everything. I want you to think about 1967 song Respect from Aretha Franklin. And here's what I did. I took the word respect and I gave each letter a meaningful word for you. Here you go. R for respect. Resolve. If you have resolve in your life, you can get ahead. You can get the girl. You can get the guy. Have resolve in your life. Take care of you. Exercise is E. Enough said there. I mean, get off the fucking couch. Don't be a lazy ass. S. Respect. Sincerity. Be sincere in everything that you do for yourself. And these, again, respect for yourself. Purpose. You got to have purpose in life. If you don't have purpose in your life, then you better figure it out because it's fucking spinning by and time is your most valuable resource. E. Empathy. Have empathy for other people and quit being such a fucking lowlife. Start thinking about other people. Feel good about other people. Have some empathy for other people. C. Compassion. Have compassion in your life. You want to have compassion, you will have a better life. You will have better relationships. You won't have any of these situationships going on and all this nonsense. It's fucking ridiculous. And then trust. Trust is the last one for the respect. Respect yourself. Go listen to Aretha Franklin and Respect, 1967. But keep these all in mind because they all fit. You want to have a good relationship. You want to have a good job. You want to have a good life. Respect yourself. I'm Papa Tom. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out. Love y'all.